So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into lovable.dev, a revolutionary AI-powered platform that lets you build full-stack web applications just by describing them in plain English. Whether you're a seasoned developer or someone with no coding experience, lovable.dev empowers you to bring your app ideas to life effortlessly. So let's get started. Now, Lovable.dev is an AI-powered platform that enables users of any skill level to create full-stack web applications without requiring coding expertise by simply describing what they want in plain English, instead of hiring developers using and generate web apps or websites instantly, taking you from idea to app as fast as possible. Now let's start with lovable.dev. So how do we use lovable.dev? For starters, you need to have head over lovable.dev, just copy the link and you will be here and you will be prompted to log in. Either you create an account or just link your Google account like I did. So once you're in, you'll land in a clean dashboard like this where you can begin building your app immediately. Now, to building your first app, you go here and just type what app you want, and you lovable.dev will generate that, so that will be public, or you can attach an image also if you have a specific target. Now, I did a develop some apps here, so we're just gonna look at the examples I did, because each app does takes like 10 minutes or 5 minutes per app. So we're going to start with some examples. So we do have here my first web app, which is a really minimalistic calculator. So it's a calculator. 9 plus 10, 19. There we go. So that is the calculator app I made. If you want to, get the actual code for this, you can tweak it here. You can change the background. You can just copy all the pages here, like all the code here, and just copy it on a HTML file. It will work either way. So let's go with here. So let's go with raw. You can also see the raw file here. So we're going to ask Lovable to edit this. Make the background sea blue. There we go. It's gonna try its best to make the background sea blue. So it's either this gonna take a lot of time or little time, depending on the code or like change you wanted to ask lovable.dev. So as you see here, it's a bit quicker. So that's it, turns sea blue. The calculator increase, but as you see here, the calculator is a bit opaque. So we're gonna increase the opacity on the calculator. There we go. We're also gonna add some background elements like waves on the background to make it not static. We're also gonna increase the opacity here without actually me coding the thing. So it's gonna be really cool. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit, and it's gonna generate the calculator to be less opaque. Now it's gonna change it. I'll see here. It's more visible, so that's pretty cool. Now we're going to add our background elements like waves on the background to make it not static. So we're just gonna wait for it if Lovable's able to comprehend what I was trying to make. I see here it's still working, more visible than usual. They're gonna add some decorative wave elements to the background to enhance the blue theme. So it's either this gonna take some time or not at all. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit. But as you can see here, it looks very nice. It's a functional web app. It's a bit simple, but we can transition into some other examples here. So I see here it looks very nice. And also, to add back-end functionality, lovable.dev integrates seamlessly with Supabase. So you can just connect your Supabase account, or set up authentication and database integration. So you can do that if you want some backend. Let's see here. We have some moving waves, so it doesn't look very, very static. It looks very nice, and it's very, very natural. So it's very cool. So I see here we're customizing our app. It's pretty cool. It's very easy. So this is not the only app I already developed. We can also have some of my apps here. So I have my, let's go to home. There's also a mobile version, which is pretty cool. You can publish this and like just copy paste the link here. Or you can also set up custom domain if you have Lovable Plus. But as for now, we're gonna move on to other things that I made. So we have our warm welcome personality thing. So personality type, that's pretty cool. So this is the main UI. There's no other pages yet, so that's my other stuff here. There's also my dog size showcase. It's a website that allows you to see dog breeds by size. So you have small breeds. You also have medium dogs, and last but not least, you have larger dogs. So you have a Husky, Great Dane, Bernese Mountain Dog and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. And if you don't like Lovable, there are other things or like other websites here. So Lovable is transforming the way we build web applications, and it's really good and it's very accessible to everyone, whether you're prototyping or just building an idea or building a full-fledged app. Lovable that dev streamlines the journey so from concept to deployment. So it's a very nice tool to have. So instead of just coding it manually, let's say like in VS Code, you can just type your prompt here and generate your app like this. So this is my other web app, but I develop it by coding. So you don't need to do all of this to create this. So it's pretty cool. So it's pretty nice. And yeah, guys. So that's how lovable.dev. If you guys like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.